Hey guys, this is my apartment tour. I finally got an apartment and I'm gonna show you guys everywhere. You can tell I'm so happy. I finally got an apartment, guys. Searching for an apartment in the UK is, I think there is a housing crisis aside from the whole racism stuff when you're searching for an apartment. It's just difficult, especially if you're not a student and you're not with a partner. It's just, a whole lot. But thank God I got an apartment and I'm going to show you guys everywhere around it. Before that, let me give you guys my life update where I am at the moment. If you've not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications. So the plan was to move to Manchester, but the plan wasn't planning. First off, I tried looking for a studio and it wasn't just working out. So it looked like most contracts start from like September to September. Actually, for studio apartments, you don't really have so many studios, especially in, I wanted to be like around the city center, so at least I could do a lot of things. And one reason why I wanted to move to Manchester was because most times when I was in Chester, I would get emails about attending events and I won't be able to attend to events. And Manchester too is also for job opportunities. They kind of have like a whole lot. I think they have like job opportunities there. I think they have a lot of, companies and all of that. So it's like one of the big cities in the UK. So I just wanted to, move there, explore, connect with more people, grow my brand too as an influencer and all of that, but it wasn't working out. And it's kind of like a shorter distance to London, which I was also looking at because my sister is in London, and also there are always influencer events in London anyway, since I cannot go to London yet. Okay, so I finally did not get an apartment. I started looking for a 1-bedroom, thinking I would get something maybe, not pricey. But what I was seeing was 1.5, 1.3, and that's bitter bills, which was salary. And at that time, which made it really sad, was that what also made it sad for me at that time was because, so where I was working in Chester, it's a marketing firm, and they don't do, when I was working in Chester as a marketing firm, and they don't do work from home. Or because I explained to them about everything, that I had to like apply for post-study and I wasn't seeing like good apartments with a good price range at the moment for myself. So they gave me like 3 months to work from home and just to figure things out. And since I was in a financial crisis era, so I was so happy, to be honest, because I just paid off my post-study, which was £2,000 and all of that. So I had a place to stay. Thankfully, thank God, I had a place to stay for like 3 months. In that 3 months, it wasn't easy for me. So trying to get an apartment and my job on my neck asking me for updates and the rest, it was just a whole lot. So I thought within that 3 months I'll be able to get a new job in Manchester and get a new apartment and move. It won't be difficult. But man, it was already the 2nd month going into the 3rd month and I had not found a place yet. I had not found another job. It was a whole lot, to be honest, and I just felt I wasn't doing enough for myself. I felt I wasn't connecting with people and all of that. But so I started asking questions on Twitter and the rest, trying to see, okay, do you know anyone that knows this, or trying to, because this UK, you would just be in your house and you wouldn't know anything. Like it's very funny because sometimes everybody's just looking for how to make ends meet and all of that. So it was not really easy, but at the end of the day, I finally found this place. First off, I was trying to get a studio in Manchester. I couldn't get. I tried. The plan was to move in November, and the apartments I saw, they were like for next year, March thereabouts, which was not what I wanted, to be honest. And then I saw like one bed for like 1513 without bills. It's too much without bills to be paying 1315. How much is my salary per month? So I didn't even consider that. At the point I was even thinking of moving to Sheffield because I have a friend in Sheffield, and like the apartments there were quite, the kind of apartment I needed was something that won't stress me when I want to create content and all of that. So I wasn't looking for something beyond. I just needed something really nice, small, inclusive, like has my kitchen. I didn't want to share kitchen or share bathroom. I shared kitchen while I was a student and I did not like it. So I didn't want to share kitchen and I just wanted my own space. So I now started looking for a 2-bedroom because 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom, by the time you divide it into two, like 1 bedroom is like 1.3, you see 2 bedroom for 1.5. I'm like, what is happening in this country? It's not adding up. So my friend now said she was looking for two, that she doesn't mind moving. She has the space but she doesn't mind. I'm like, okay, that's fine, let's move in together now. So we started looking we found one, but there was just so much involved in it. And then again, they started asking some questions, and then there's this salary threshold. We had to find a guarantor that was earning so much money and all of that, which was just a whole lot. I just decided that, you know what, I don't have a job offer in Manchester yet. Cancel Manchester. Whatever happens, God sort me out. And I decided to change my bearings to Liverpool. I started searching for apartments in Liverpool. It wasn't easy to apartments all booked. I could see student accommodation, but I'm no longer a student, so obviously I had to look for something else. Finally, my former flatmate, Itunu, God bless you. Like, if you are watching this video, God bless you. She was looking for an apartment too, and she came to check out this apartment, not this particular one, but an apartment in this building. And she also checked this place out and sent me a video, because I told her that okay, she should help me do a video and send to me, because I knew that I wasn't going to be able to come and check it out. Anyway, she sent to me and I'm like, it looks small, but I probably could manage this for the meantime, like for a few months, and just see how it goes in Liverpool. I decided to ring those guys up and I started looking for a way to, view the apartment, but I couldn't view the apartment because the viewing days were Monday to Thursday and I was working Monday to Thursday, and if I had to come here, I have to do like 2 hours go. No, I have to do like 3 hours come, 3 hours go back from where I was, which. So I decided in my mind that I don't need to view. Can I just move in? I don't have to view it. I just want to move in November. I don't need to view. I've seen the pictures and everything. I'm okay. And since it was furnished, I'm like, I'm okay. I'm fine with it. They said they had a view. I didn't even care what the view was or whatever. I just wanted somewhere that I could, create content and be at peace with myself, have my space, and just settle down before the new year comes. Anyway, it took me like 3 weeks to finally, sort this place out. They were asking for employer reference, asking for my former landlord reference, my student accommodation. Then it was just a whole lot. My student accommodation refused to send reference at one point, and I'm like, what's all this? At a point, it looked like there was racism in between, but God prevailed. They finally asked me to get a guarantor since my former landlord wasn't, sending reference. I finally got a guarantor and sent it to them, and they approved that. I was just so happy, and I was told to move in, and they approved it, and I finally settled everything. And guys, we have our apartments. Nah, it was a whole lot. There were days I cried, there were nights I cried to bed, because I was really frustrated. Like, imagine you having to search for jobs, having to like search for apartment, trying to do all of that. It wasn't in, and at that point I felt like, God, I'm just trying to better my life. I'm trying to do things for myself. Why is it so difficult? But along the way, some days I find this trying to like create content. I think that point actually made me stronger and closer to God, because And when I look back, I wonder where I got the strength to like create content on some days. And then my skin was acting up to my face and my neck were getting darker. It was just a whole lot. I'm like, well, that's not even my problem at the moment. Anyway, I have a studio apartment now. It's in Liverpool. I'm presently in Liverpool. Luckily for me, the apartment is just 2 minutes away from the bus station. I'm like 20 minutes walk away from Liverpool, which is the city center. And I'm just so happy for this apartment. I have a mad view. It's just that I can't really use the view now because it's winter season. But guys, I will show you guys in like few seconds the view. The apartment is £695. It is without bills, without council tax and electricity bills. Yeah, just without those two. It can be really cold in here some days because I think because of the large windows, but aside that, I love it so much. So let me take you guys on the tour of my apartment. So guys, this is my bedroom. Yeah, I have 2 large windows. It can be an advantage and disadvantage. I actually like the view in the morning, especially when it's sunny. So this is my view today. And then everything in the apartment actually came with it. It came furnished, to be honest. So the bed came with it. The 2 bedside tables, this one, it came with the bedside lamp, which I like. It is dimmable, so you can just touch and it dims and it goes off. Yeah. And my major problem in this place is lack of storage. They could have used underbed storage for days. So like this is just taking too much space. But I've told them to come and move this. Like they swap it for the ones that have drawers or like space for me to put like my box or stuffs under. I'm sure you guys understand what I'm talking about because right now it's just useless. And come on, for a studio apartment, I need every space I can get, especially my underbed storage, where I should be able to put my boxes and all of that. So that's that. But this is my bedroom area. It came with the bed, came with everything, but this is the part I love. My view. You guys know I didn't do a viewing before I got to this apartment, and when I saw this view, I'm like, wow, like it's just a very beautiful view. In the morning, like I just go out to see, like I just go out like every morning and just like soak in the sun a bit. Today it was kind of freezing, but the sun was out. The chandelier sun you have in the UK. Yeah, this is what we have, and I just wrote my name with the icing there. I don't know, I just like the apartment. I like this part of the apartment. I'm thinking of actually maybe during summer I'm going to like put like a flooring outside there and maybe have like chair and all of that. Like you can see my neighbor has like a flowery design and all of that. Anyway, let's go back into the apartment. So this is my sitting room. It's really small, it's a tiny sitting room, but this is it. I have one couch. Like I said, everything here came with it except for my 2 monitors that you can see on the window slab, I guess. So I work from home presently, like I told you guys, but so I have those 2 monitors, which I don't even know how to set up my workspace at the moment, but this is all that came with the apartment. You have the TV came with it, the heater came with it too, the what they call it, the table, the lamp. I love the lamp. I think that's one thing I love about the sitting area. So to the third part of the house, this is the dining area that has the kitchen. It has my wardrobe too and my washing machine. So let me break it down for you guys. So this is a small dining area for like 2 people.
and by the left you would see my wardrobe. You can see my shoes on the floor. I'm waiting for my shoe rack so I can take off all the shoes there, and you can see where my box is. That's where I plan to put a shoe rack there, so the shoes can leave the floor and I can have like more space. I don't want anything on the floor like that in the room. So, and that's the reason why I need that under bed storage, so I can, you know, put my boxes. But for the meantime, my shoes will come there and my box will go up. So that's that. Now this door, that's where the washing machine is. So I have a washing machine. This place has the washing machine, it has the boiler, it has like switch for my internet. My Wi-Fi is here too, so I just like put my mop here. That's my Wi-Fi actually. Yeah, that's the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is so good. And I just put like my broom, my mop here, that's all. So this is like utility store. And then that's my door. I just hang my keys there. I'm thinking of putting like a small wardrobe rack there for my coats, but this is my kitchen. I love my kitchen so much. It has enough space. Like the cupboards are enough. Like I have just so much space. I'm yet to, that's my fridge actually. The fridge is actually pretty small. I think that's just the bad part. But aside that, the kitchen is perfect. It didn't come with the microwave and the air fryer. I got that myself. Anyway, let's have a drink while we continue the apartment tour. I hope you guys are enjoying it. You guys asked for it, so make sure you're watching till the end. Oh, the good thing about this apartment, I have so many sockets. Like, okay, so this is my bathroom. The bathroom is big, guys. This bathroom is big. When I saw it, I'm like, why didn't you guys take this space and put an extra wardrobe, like just add it to where the wardrobe is and all of that? But the bathroom is quite spacious and it's just good. I'm yet to set my apartment up actually. I'm waiting for deliveries from Amazon to like set up everything. So this is just, you know, me showing you guys before I set it up. When I set it up, I'll probably do another video to show you guys how it looks like. But presently, this is how my bathroom looks like. And that's it, guys. This is my small apartment in Liverpool. You have my kitchen, my small dining area, my big arc mirror, my seating area, and my bedroom. Everything, it's just a studio, a nice studio apartment with a little view. So that's it. If you're in Liverpool and you want to hang out, hit me up. I'm in Liverpool. I'm close to Manchester now. So guys, yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you want to see an updated video when I set up my apartment, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I need your comment to motivate me, Anyway, see you guys in my next video, and do have a lovely week. Bye guys.